still smart, active, above all, still beautiful. I would like to ask you one important question. What is the secret of your good, healthy, successful life at this very age for us young next generation to follow so that we can be the real torch bearers of positive changes to the world as a whole? Thank you.
No, it is not an easy answer to this, But anyway, maybe it is the passion in me to try to solve problems. I think the whole life has been given to solving problems at every stage of my life. Not even every stage of my life,